Hi, so it's French fries day tomorrow, and which child doesn't love French fries? Well, not that potatoes are particularly unhealthy, but chickpeas are particularly healthy, aren't they? So today I'm going to make chickpea chicken French fries. Unusual, right? But super yummy, super easy, and super delightful. So let's begin. So now I have a kadhai here in which I'm going to add some butter. And then I'm going to add some finely chopped garlic to it. Just going to stir it a little. And then I'm going to add my minced chicken. Just toss it around till the chicken becomes white. This nice minced chicken is hardly going to take a little while. And then once it's completely white, I'm going to add my chickpea flour to it. Reduce the flame and then nicely mix all these ingredients. And finally, I'm going to season it. Okay, so some salt. And that's about that. Okay, now we mix this well together, and now I'm going to add some water to it. It's better to measure it and add. So I'm going to start with about half a cup, and then if needed, I'll add some more. And I don't know if you've noticed, today I'm cooking in my mom's kitchen. Yes, sometimes I come here to spend time with my mom and to do my work as well. And I have to say, this is a little more spacious kitchen, isn't it? Okay, so now I'm going to mix this well. Alright, so this is ready. Now I have a plate here which I have covered with parchment paper. A lot of times we make mithai like that. And now I am going to transfer this mixture onto this plate and completely flatten it out. Okay, so now this is really hot. We're going to allow it to come to room temperature, and then I'm going to freeze it. So I already have one frozen batch ready. I'm going to bring it out and show you how to do the fries. Alright, so after they're frozen, you bring them out, cut them like this in the shape of French fries, and then freeze them again before we fry them like this. Then add them to the hot oil. Right, so these are already cooked. We cooked the mixture, remember? Now we just need to get a nice color like this and take them out on a kitchen roll to absorb all the extra oil. There you go. And now I'm going to put them in this cute little pan that I have, and I'm going to feed these yummy, cute and healthy French fries to my nephew who's visiting from Dubai. Well, my nephew is busy playing video games. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Something for you.
What is this?
What do you think it is?
I'm not sure.
What do they look? Yeah, they're fries.
Oh, okay.
And they've got my twist to it. They've got chicken in it. Tell me how you like them.
Oh wow, this is so good.
You like them?
Yeah, can I have more?
Yeah, sure. You can. Okay, the whole thing is gone. Obviously, children, French fries. A no-brainer, isn't it? Well, on that very note, please do try this and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and do make this recipe and tell me how you liked it. I'll see you soon. Happy French Fries Day.